Hi, I am Uğur from Huawei Developers and welcome to the Huawei tutorial series. It is recommended that you use the icon elements provided by Huawei to ensure that the buttons in your apps comply with Huawei standards. HUAWEI ID Out button is a button control provided by AccountKit to display the sign-in buttons in Huawei style. With this control, you can quickly implement a sign-in button by referring to HUAWEI ID Out button usage guide on the developer.huawei.com. Logo icon and text is mandatory. Fixed relative size for the logo and text. Fixed colors. Safe zone for the icon. High definition logo and text. Acceptable background colors for a button include Huawei Red, White and Black. The Huawei Red style is preferred when third-party sign-in buttons are colored. If their sign-in buttons are monochrome, you can select the white or black style based on the actual situation. You can see here your official Huawei sign-in button design. Thank you for watching. For more detailed information, you can visit developer.huawei.com.